coming together of Bayport Financial Services Ghana PLC Limited and CFC Savings and Loans was to create a powerful, new, bigger and better Bayport, because they are both of them the children of the same parents who were competing. Now we come together to combine the skills network of the two companies, the capital base of the two companies, to deliver more products, retail banking services that CFC was providing, savings and loans. But this time, in the digital age that we live, we are going to use ICT-enhanced distribution channels. So you can use your cell phone to be able to do business with us on your savings and deposit account. We are going to move into the informal and semi-formal sector, the SME sectors, who will be marginalized and excluded from the financial sector, the banking sector. These are the people we'll be looking for. They are risky. Why are they risky? They are risky because it's difficult to identify them. We don't have street addresses, but you have somebody sitting under the mango tree in my village who have been selling Unilever products for about 30 years. That person, a bank will not give that person money, but we can go there, identify that person, and give the person some working capital to be able to go on with the business. Or we can arrange with the person who is supplying the person to say, you supply, and as long as we pay for it, as long as the person repays us, they can come back to you for another set. You know, Bayport, when we started doing payroll deduction, we helped the businessmen, because most businessmen had about 30% of their working capital tied up in loans to staff. So we say, if you are an employer and you tell us that you deduct it at base, we will take over that responsibility from you. Give your staff loans when they have an emergency to pay school fees, a funeral, or even if they want to invest in a part-time business, we'll be there to be able to support. We just deduct a source for us. That's what we started doing. Now, we can go to the informal sector and be able to use ICT devices to be able to deliver funding to the marginalized in our society who have been excluded from financial service, but the banking sector services. So we are providing inclusive financial services and products to the informal, semi, and the SMEs.